Hi, good afternoon, everybody. We are here today. I am Dawn Johnston, and I am the Procurement Supervisor, Right to Know Officer for North Penn School District. Thank you for taking the time out of your schedule today to join us for the bid opening. Today is Monday, August 1st, 2022, and it is 12:34 p.m. And we are opening the bids for the 22-23 Chromebooks and desktops. Before we get started, I just want to take a minute and introduce you to a few people. We have Kristen Johnson. She's the Assistant Business Manager for North Penn. And we have Tony Bickert, who is our Assistant Director of Information Technology at North Penn. Before we get started opening the bids, I just want to go over a few business items. We are recording this meeting, so we ask that you please keep yourself muted until the end of the meeting. And once we are finished opening all the bids, we will open it up for questions and comments, and I will let you know when that is, and you can unmute yourself and ask those questions. And after that, we will then show a brief summary of all of the bids, and we will conclude the meeting. So thank you again for joining us, and I'm going to start opening these bids. The first one we have is from GDC Technology. Okay, we have a cashier's check. We have the non-collusion affidavit. And we have the qualification statement. There's no bid for the Chromebooks. There is a bid for the Dell desktops, and the total is $218,466. This bid is from Troxel Communications. Troxel is also known as Bloom. We have a non-collusion affidavit. We have the qualification statement. And it looks like we have the bid bond. We have a bid for the first model of the Chromebooks, model number C8H2, and that total is $547,575. We have a bid on the second Chromebook, C7KT. That bid is a total of $547,500. The Google management licenses are bid at $45,375. There is no bid on the invisible warranty. The Dell laptops, we have a bid for $283,000. Correct. Total for all of the bid is $875,875. This bid is from Connection. A bid bond. We have the non-collusion affidavit. And we have the qualification statement. Okay, there's a bid for all items. The first item, the CH2 Chromebook, the total is $621,855. The next item is the C7KT Chromebook, and that total is $660,720. The Google management licenses for the Chromebook is bid at $45,030. And the invisible warranty is bid at $147,120, making the total for those items $1,474,725. The Dell laptops were bid at $299,035. And the total for all equipment together is $1,773,760. That concludes the opening part of our bid, and we'll show you the results. Can everybody see these items? Okay, we'll open the floor up to questions if anybody has any. Okay, that being no questions, this concludes our bid opening, and I just want to thank everybody again for joining us, and thank you for your bids that you contributed, and we'll review these and get back to everybody once we have made a decision. And the board meeting, the board has approved everything at the board meeting on August 18th as anticipated. So thank you very much.